Air filtration demand is high everywhere. For dust and particulates from smoke, construction, water damage, and mold projects as always, but also in education, institutional, industrial, and office settings where occupants have heightened concerns. Be ready to meet these needs with the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700, the ultimate quiet, high-performance air scrubber that delivers up to 6 air changes per hour in 7,000 cubic foot spaces. The HEPA 700 removes dust, mold, and other particulates with its 2-inch pre-filter and primary HEPA filter media, passing the stringent DOP air filtration tests often required. Plus, monitor the HEPA filter life so you can anticipate when it may need replacing. When using the optional activated carbon filter plus a 1-inch pre-filter and HEPA filter, it can also remove odors, fumes, and smoke, which is especially important in wildfire-prone areas. It draws just 1.5 amps on load, so you can connect up to 8 HEPA 700 units on a 15-amp circuit using its dual GFCI outlets. In offices, hotels, or restaurants, really in any public area, quieter equipment minimizes disruption, and the HEPA 700 sets a new, quiet, and powerful standard. Use the HEPA 700's digital touchscreen to fine-tune airflow for negative pressure containments or ducting. Best of all, you can monitor and control the HEPA 700 24/7 from anywhere using the free mobile app, especially important for remote locations or projects where security or hazards make entry difficult. Molded and assembled in U.S. plants, Dri-Eaz is the leading choice for reliability, durability, ease of use, outstanding technical support, and service. And with its streamlined injection molded design, the HEPA 700 is light enough to carry and stacks securely for compact storage and transport to your next job.